communication. Oh.
You will know when it's time to fight.
You want to riddle? We are going to raise our meat.
I will be in contact soon.
I think my other husband is messy on the update. Maybe we can look at all the receipts again and...
Evelyn, trust no one.
Oh. Oh.